advertisement, then how to run a search ad, how to run a display ad, how to run YouTube ad, how to install Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics. So those are the basic things. Then week 7, talk about introduction to affiliate marketing. What's affiliate marketing? How to generate sales for your product as an affiliate, then what most are not doing, then the free affiliate marketing platform you can register on, then how to close sales like a pro, and what products you like sell. So we discuss all that in week 7. So most of the times the class is divided into two, Monday and Wednesday. So I'll try and at most times, sometimes today is going to be by 8:30 will be done, but other classes, some other classes might be a 1 hour class, a 2 hours class. So please note, because there's a lot to cover. Then the last one is week 8. We'll talk about LinkedIn optimization, then content strategies. I didn't spell the strategies correctly. Then we have how to automate your content and how to get your first gig. So, guys, oh, we have more people in the class. Prince is here. So, that's just that for that. So, I'm going to share my screen on the introductory class, and
Any committee, I don't have any of that too.
I'm still hearing somebody there. Oh. Please mute your mic. So, we're talking about introduction to digital marketing. So let's just go straight to the point. So first of all, in marketing, what, if I may ask, what is your basic, don't use my own definition because I've already even given you a review already like this. What is your basic understanding of marketing? Timilayin, because I've already given you a, what's the name, something for you to latch on. So just give me your basic understanding of what marketing is. Can I meet your mic, Timilayin?
I sorry. Marketing is like a form of selling your products to
Yeah.
customers. Yes, giving your
Oh,
customers the best through
all right.
this one
That's
is
good.
selling your
Not bad.
products to your customers.
Yeah.
That's just basic for me.
You can mute your mic. Prince, are you there? Prince, Prince Morris, are you there? Okay. Abraham, give me your own basic understanding of marketing.
Marketing simply means, just like Tim Lenny said, just the basic is just selling your products and selling your product to your customers and giving them the best.
Yeah. Okay. That's very good. So, my own definition, apart from this, that's the process. Marketing is the process of advertising your.
Bad network, bad network.
So, those are those the things about marketing. Please, Abraham, mute your mic,
I'm
please.
sorry, didn't
Yeah.
hear
So, what
you.
I is, you can't hear me. Can you hear me now? Hello.
Sure. Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay, that's good. Yeah. So I said marketing is a process, my own definition of advertising a product or a service in order to reach the final consumer. That's my definition. But what I have here I define is marketing is the practice of creating interest in a product or a service and what convincing a potential customer to buy it. So it's just a simple process of telling somebody that, oh, I have this shoe, I have this bag, I sell these things, come and buy from me, like the way they do in Lagos market or even any market that you know, come and buy. That's what they say, come and buy. So you're trying to convince them in why they should buy your product. So there's somebody I really respect so much in the marketing industry, and his name is Russell Brunson. So why do I respect Russell Brunson so much? He's one of the top marketers in the world who came about the concept of what we call sales funnels. So what is a sales funnel? A sales funnel is a product on the internet. That's be is or I say a product on the internet or a website or a landing page in which you use to sell or to pre-sell to a potential customer. I don't even know. I don't know if I have a sales funnel here that I can show you, but maybe in the next class I'll show you what a sales funnel if I remember. But I'll let you guys know. So it's used to pre-sell a client. So what did I mean? I mean that you have a website like maybe Facebook.com or a website like Gigi where products are being advertised, or Jumia where you advertise your product, and the person just comes there and sees the benefit and the features of that particular product, and the person clicks and buys it. That is just the meaning of sales funnel. So he says marketing is a process because of in English we're taught ing is a continuous sentence, abi a continuous statement, abi how did they even say that thing again? Get. So it's marketing is a process of sparking interest. Then he said it shows how a product or a service can solve problems and make life better. And it makes people realize they truly want something. That's just his own understanding. Why? Because let's say now, um, let me use Timlane for example. Timlane, in your basic
Ẹ
DNA,
mọ̀ nǹkan níbi wọ́n kún ti sọ
you
fún mi
want
pé
a
Yes, sir.
man
ẹ̀yìn
that is
ọ̀lẹ́
handsome.
òun kò sí a
Yes, sir.
specific time for it. Ẹ rí pé last year
Yeah.
ni ẹ ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ náà ní that started to know him.
Timlane, can
I'm following you, sir.
I just said now? Just said.
Ilé
Sir, I can hear you,
ilé
sir.
ọjà lè máa fi àwọn nǹkan máa
No, I meant, did you hear everything I just said right
Yes,
now?
I did. I did.
fún òun tó kù.
You're using me as an example
So
for.
now, what that person, what he's simply saying is that he knows your desires. Now, what he's going to do with those your desires is going to use it to sell something that's. So, for example, I use that. I, that kind of thing. Or most times,
na im motor carry am go.
And na
Bus
the
carry am
motor
go.
wey dem
See,
buy
na
pass.
the motor.
Sorry about that. Um, I lost internet connection. So let me just share my screen. So I was talking about how we sell, how you use video adverts. Indomie uses video advert to sell Indomie to us. So I want to talk about why we need marketing. Most of the times, you need marketing for as a business owner. Majorly people that need marketing are businesses. I understand that digital marketing to sell their product. So you have to convince business owners, those are usually people that we're targeting, that will likely buy our service or maybe a product that we have. So why do we need marketing number one to provide value in exchange for money? So that's first I first said. So as digital marketer, can you guys hear me? Simline, can you hear me? Prince, can you hear me?
Yeah, sure, I can.
Yeah. I don't think Prince is here with us. So let's just continue. We can quickly end the class because it's almost 8:30. So as I was saying, as a digital marketer, your goal is to be able to help a business owner to sell his product or his service. So we exchange money for value. That's helping the person advertise his product online. That's what we do. Then, number two, it is the only way to let the world know what we offer. So the only way we can let people know that I sell a bag, I sell a shoe, is to advertise, to show other people what you want, what you have to offer the world, like what you sell, what you can help solve a particular problem. For instance, web designers are existing because of the internet. For instance, digital marketers are existing because of the internet. So the creation of the internet created more jobs, more more problems. So we have to come out with a solution how people can advertise their product and service online without having to talk to the person, because the way I'm even talking to you, like, I get tired. So that was the traditional way of marketing. Do you understand? So now, number three, economic contribution. Yes, the process of why we market, exchange goods or service for, so that a country or a particular state can grow. For example, Lagos. Lagos sells a lot of things that many of us are never aware of. Number one, Lagos itself is a brand. Many people are attracted to Lagos because Lagos is a city where on my feel also may I come also get better money because in Ogun State, in Oyo State, in Ibadan, Osun State, other states, the economic power there is not strong. So like that, it attracts people to Lagos to come and say, oh, I want to work, I want to come and hustle. Most of our parents did not grow up in Lagos. So some of us in Nigeria, in this Lagos that were here today, most of our parents didn't grow up in Lagos because they were not born here. But they came to Lagos because of the stories they heard about the city, how they can also get a better life and stuff like that. That's what they did. And last one is RBS. It helps build credibility. So marketing helps you build credibility, like people getting to trust your product or your service. That's just what marketing can do for you. So my next slide here we have introduction to marketing, digital marketing, and simple digital marketing means is the use of websites, apps, mobile devices, social media, other search and other digital means to promote a product or a service. So everything here you are saying is all connected to one thing, the internet. Just one thing alone, that's the internet. Your website, your apps, your mobile phone, your social media, your search engine, all that digital means is always around the internet. Now, digital marketing involves many of the same principles as traditional marketing, but is often considered as an additional way for companies to promote or approach consumers understanding their behavior. So the reason why it's considered as another form of marketing because of it is different from traditional marketing. So what is simply traditional marketing? Traditional marketing is the basic way of advertising product and service. That's normally you get a shop, use billboards, use flyers to market your product, and maybe newspapers. Yes, newspapers were the traditional ways of. Those are the things you do, or you send mails. Those things, fax. Those are the things we were doing those olden days. Those are what we call traditional marketing. So companies often combine traditional and digital marketing strategy in their strategies. Like real estate companies do that a lot, where they share flyers of their land, perhaps they're trying to sell. And even I think Jumia too does it once in a while. Some other supermarket does flyers to attract people to come. So digital marketing also comes with its own challenges. You need to know that it's not easy. But digital marketing started becoming popular with the wide adoption of the internet in the 90s. So during the course of this class, I'm going to be giving you some books you're going to read, and you have a broader understanding of marketing for digital marketing, for sales funnels, for what's the name? Copywriting also. Then I'll also the recording will be shared in the class so you guys can go and watch it again just to have a basic understanding. So we are almost at the end of the class already. So my own definition now of digital marketing is the use of internet-based tools to attract the world to see you. So what do I mean by that? I mean that where I see the internet, number one, is through a means of everybody in the whole world having a phone or a Android, and I can reach that person from where I am in Nigeria. So that's tell you that I can reach the whole world just as long as they have a phone, as long as they have an iPhone, as long as they have a laptop or a mobile device, a tab. I can reach them and I can show them what I have to offer them, show them the value I bring to the table, show them who I am as a person. Look at TikTok, for example. Somebody creates a content on TikTok and somebody in another country is seeing it. How does that make you feel? It just bosses you the power of the internet. You create a video in your house, but somebody in Cameroon is seeing it, somebody in Zambia is seeing it, somebody in South Africa is seeing it, somebody in US is seeing it, somebody in Canada is seeing your video. That is how big the internet is. That is how big digital marketing is. Just by creating a content, just by writing a text on your LinkedIn, somebody can see you. That is how big. That's why I define it as a way of using internet-based tools to show the world what you can offer, to show the world, get the world to see who you are. The more people that know you, the more money you have as a marketer. I say it again, the more people that sees you, more people that knows you, the more money you have. Because since a lot of people know you and they have access to them, you can create a product or a service and people will pay you money to solve a particular problem for them. So today I'm going to give you an assignment. And before I give you an assignment, I want you guys to ask questions. Any question you have, just based on this introduction. The next class, I'm going to be talking about types of digital marketing and The other thing is evergreen market, then your sales strategies, then what's your plan for this class, for this training. You need to know why you are here. So you know what you're trying to achieve at the end of this class. Because they say when the purpose of things is not known, abuse is imminent. So do you guys have questions? So I can give you an assignment to go and do. And then you submit it. I'll give you my email where you send the assignment to. Timlen, do you have questions? Prince, do you have questions? Please. We need to
No,
ask.
I don't have any question.
What about Prince? Do you have any question?
Yeah, my name is Prince. Just can you hear me? Are you guys? Can you hear
Yes, I can
me?
hear you. Speak up.
Yeah. Just what I want to know is this one, the introduction or presentation or whatever. Is it is it recorded? Like, is this something that you can send later so that anyone that
Okay, I,
missed
I
it,
will do that. I will do that. That's no problem.
anybody that missed it, you can
And the
get it.
video will be sent actually. So it's never about the slide. The video is going to be sent. Everything I said from
Oh,
the beginning. You can follow up.
okay,
Yeah.
thank you. All right,
Yeah.
thank you, thank you.
That's no problem. So your assignment is very, very simple. By Wednesday, I'll be asking you guys to explain what you have read. That's me. I don't want to send it to me. I want you guys to answer the question. So the question is go and read on types of digital marketing that exist. So before I start explaining it, you guys you must have read about it and you talk about the ones you have read. So even if it's three you know, come and talk about it. Even if it's one you know, talk about it. I just want us to have an interactive class. So it helps you to know and understand at least one or two things before we start to go in deeply into what digital marketing really is. So please write it down. Types of digital marketing. You are going to explain it to me in the next class. That's by Wednesday. Types of digital marketing, different types of digital marketing. So just read about it, understand it, and come and explain. And then I will talk about it also. And then we can have a wonderful class by Wednesday. So we have come to the end of this class. And it's nice meeting you, Prince. It's nice meeting you, Timley. And Abraham is not here to end this class with us. These are three people that came today. I hope others will come next class. So it's nice meeting you guys, and I wish you guys the best of luck in this class.
Thank you for having me too. And
Thank you,
another thing,
sir.
I think
You're welcome.
we have
So
network
I will see you
problem.
guys in the next class on
Thank you.
Wednesday.
Uh,
See you guys.
All right, sir. Thank
Yeah,
you.
bye bye.
bye-bye.
Bye.